Hello guys, my name is Shahzeb, and today we are going to do a new machine that's called Fawn in HackTheBox starting point here. The previous one that we did is Neo, it's the second machine Fawn. So we copy the address here and first we check our IP if we have connectivity with a VPN connection. We have already this one. Okay, so we check it, it's working. Uh, we just add it into our DNS. I choose this do this even we don't need this, but we can also skip this adding into our DNS resolve machine list because as we see the tags here, FTP protocol reconnaissance, this is what we are going to do in this machine. We don't need to deal with the HTTP, so we don't need to add into our list, but that's okay. So these are the number of questions that we have to address, but first we will look at the machine. We can address these questions later and to nmap to this machine. We have here 421 open. We can just look at the services and the versions of the services running on this core machine. Meanwhile, what we can do here, get the nmap results. We can check since we are going to deal with the FTP. We can do something like TLDR FTP, and we have this bunch of options that we can use. We can also use PFTP hyphen question mark. That is for the help. You can also use other pages like FTP and HTTP. That is the best one to get information about. You can use this information for the anonymous login. We always check with anonymous login whenever we deal with the FTP. And we have like the IP address. We got successful 230 console connection with the FTP. We just look at the DIR. We apply here. It's quite simple. We can't use the cat command here because it's not going to work. You have to download this on your local machine. Once it is done, you exit here and you can just look at the contents of the flag.txt. Here's the flag. So we look back at the machine and we address the answers of those questions. What does the three acronym FTP stand for? So that is file transfer protocol. The second one is what port does FTP operates at? It's 21, but FTP sends data in clear text without the encryption. So for the definitely the protocol that we are using here, if you run any proxy tool or even the Wireshark, it will and you provide the password, password that will be in a that will transfer in a clear text. The communication will happen in a clear text form. So you have to use secure FTP protocol, that is STIP FTP or secure. What is the common command that we use to send? That is ping. We always use the ping command to send an ICMP echo request to the connection of the target machine from your scans. What version of the STP is running? We have to look at here the version. We do it's taking too much time. Okay. Okay, so VSFTPD, this is the version that we are running here. It should the same one here is the answer. From your scans, what type of OS is running on the target? This is Unix or Linux, you can say all Unix is the old one. What is the username that is used over FTP when you want to log in with without having an account? That is called anonymous as we use here. And we also saw into the help like -A that causes TNFTP to bypass normal login procedure and use an anonymous login. So something like anonymous, it's specific word if there's any anonymous word here, and you can see this here, login anonymous. So it should be the anonymous 1. What? is the response code that we get from the FTP message login. That is 230. We have already seen it here. Login successful 230. And here's a couple of commands that we use. We use dir or ls. And so this one is also working. What is the command used to download the file? When we use that get command to download any file from the FTP connection, and we get submission the flag that we got here. Yeah. That's all about today's video. It was a very easy one. See you in the next video.